Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Anu here. Previously, we were discussing about the built-in data types in Python that is related to the fundamentals we have already discussed. Then we discussed about the sequence category data type. As a continuation to that, let's go ahead and discuss about the collection category data types. Okay, this is what this subdivisions are. In the collection category data type, we have two subcategories are there. One is called the set and another one is called the dictionary. The set again divided into set and frozen set that depend upon the mutability and immutability of set. The default one set, this is mutable and this one is immutable. And the other collection category data type, this is called the dictionary. The first one is collection. We are discussing about set. Okay. Suppose I am collecting the number of YouTube viewers around the globe about my YouTube channel. Okay. I can see from different locations my YouTube channel are getting viewed. Like some days it's from India, some days from US, some days it will be again from India. Then it will go to UK, etc. It will be like that. But I need only the number of, not the number, only the unique countries from where this YouTube is getting viewed. In that case, if I need only the unique value, I don't need the India two times. In that case, if I assign this value in a set, in that case, set, if you give this list into a set, convert into set, it will remove all the duplicates. It will remove all the duplicate. In this case, we will get only India, US, UK, except only the unique value will be saved. That's where we are using set. If you see this set, suppose I'm creating a set 1 equal to, in this case, the set will include only the unique values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The final set will have only 5, but it doesn't keep the insertion order. Why does it keep the insertion order? If you see the list, we can get the data based on the index value, index 0, index 1, index 2. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0. If the values are there, based on the index value, we can get this values out. Whereas in set, if you set, the values will be arranged like 20, 30, 10, 4, 6. It will be something like this. It doesn't have any insertion order, so it doesn't keep any insertion order. Suppose I have another requirement. I have some security policy. Security policy that or particular user having the access. He's having read, write. Okay, read and write. I don't want him to modify this permission. Either him or somebody else not to modify this one. I'm keeping this in set because only the unique values are permitted. Otherwise, if it is not in set again, the read can come here. Okay, I don't want that. I don't want it. So I'll keep it in set. I have a security policy. Okay, in my company, I have a security policy. Security policy where I have kept because I don't need any duplicate. Okay, read, write. Okay, for a particular set of people, I have given only read and write. If I give this policy in a set, anyone can come and add new policy. Add new policy. I don't want to do that. I want to make it very strict. I want to make it very strict. At that time, I have to use frozen set. Frozen set, if you make this as frozen set, read, write, nobody else will be able to add or delete or modify these policies. In such cases, we are using frozen set. Frozen set are these are immutable. These are immutable in nature. Let us go ahead and see what is meant by dictionary. Dictionary, we can call it as a collection of key and values. Let's say key 1, value 1, key 2, value 2, key 3, value 3. Here, keys, we cannot change this key, but we can change the values. We can change the values. Keys are not changeable once it is being created, but we can add more key value pair. Okay, add more key pair into this one. And even we can modify the existing key value pair. Only the value we can change, we can change the keys. That is what this dictionary is. Dictionary is mutable. And set category, there are two types, set and frozen set. Set is having the functionality of both mutability and immutability. Mutability in the sense we can add more values, but once the value is added into set, it won't allow to modify it because there is no insertion order. We cannot do slicing and indexing. In that case, it shows the immutable property. We cannot edit that. Let's go ahead and see few things in practical. So again, either we can define set like this 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, once it is executed, okay, let's type s1, see what is. Okay, let's see the type of s1, type of s1, type of s1. This is called set. Suppose I have a list here, equal to this is the list. Suppose I want to get the only the unique value out of this list, then we can take s2 equal to set of, we call that list, and this will convert that list into set with the unique values. Let's see, s2, it is only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It is to remove all the duplicate values. This is how we are using set. Suppose if you want to, let's see whether we are able to add or not. Yes, 1, we have the value. Is 1 dot, we have option to add. We have up to 6, we can add something called 7. It is added a new value. I like that we can remove this one. Is 2, sorry, is 1 dot, remove. I can say I want to remove 2. Now, if you see this one, 2 has been removed. That's why it is called a mutable object. Now, let's go ahead and see. Another thing is, I have something called policy. Policy equal to, I have given array, right. I have given policy like read and write. What is the policy? Policy we have read and write. Suppose if I'm giving that security policy like set, someone can add new policy into that one, right? Policy dot add. Someone came and it is given executable, execute privilege. Okay, that is changed. But in that case, I don't need such kind of policy to be edited in a security way. So in that case, what we can see is I'm defining it as security policy. Suppose I'm giving it again this one. Let's check this one. Policy. Let's see. Policy is read and write. First and set, I'm just going to convert that mutable property into immutable property. Policy. Now, type of secure policy is frozen set. Let's try to modify the value or try to add the value executable permission into this frozen set. Let's see what it will do. Let's take this one. Here the name is second underscore policy dot add. It will try session because the frozen set object has no attribute called add. This is meant by set operations and frozen set operations. Set is mutable and frozen set is immutable. Dictionary is a key value pair. Is key and value, key and value, key value. Suppose name is given as John, age is 30, course is Python. Okay, and student value, you can see name John, age 30, and course is Python. You can see like that. Suppose if you want to get the details of that case, we'll get the name of that particular student. Suppose if you want to get the Instead of name, if you want to get the age, you can pass the age, it will be the corresponding value of that particular key. This is what this dictionary is. Suppose if you want to add new value into this one, we can like student of key equal to value. It is added that one. Now let's see student. It has added new value called new key and value pair. It has added city is return. That's why it is called a mutable object. So this is all about the collection category data type. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day.